Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa naman po tayo ng napakasarap na muffin. Alam ko kilala nyo na tong muffin na to. Ito ay sumikat sa Boracay. So ang tawag nila dito is Boracay Calamansi Muffin. So for the ingredients for the muffin, meron ako ditong sifted cake flour, fine sugar, all-purpose cream, any brand, and cooking oil, 5 whole eggs, and then calamansi juice, diced calamansi peel, calumet baking powder, baking soda, salt. For the part 2, gagawa din tayo ng calamansi soaking syrup. Yun yung ibubuhos natin sa muffin natin pagkatapos siyang i-bake. So napakasimple lang, 1:1 ang ratio. Meron ako ditong sugar and then calamansi juice. Number 3, for the crumble or the streusel, ang tawag dito, I have here sifted cake flour, granulated sugar, and then unsalted butter. Okay, yung una nating gagawin is to make our streusel. Importante to, advance siyang magagawa sa lahat. So, i-ref nyo lang in advance kasi hindi lang naman muffin, calamansi muffin ang nilalagyan ng crumble sa mga buko pie, sa mga banana loaf breads. So, irarub lang natin to hanggang ma-corporate siya. You can use food processor for this, okay? Ang texture po dapat ng ating streusel ay parang pulburon texture. Crumbly. So I'm going to rub it kasi medyo kagagaling ng nakalimutan namin ilabas sa chiller yung aming butter kaya medyo matigas pa. Okay, kaya siya crumble, ganito po siya parang buo-buo siya. Yan, ganito dapat yung ma-achieve yung texture and look, itsura. Okay, then let's set aside for this. Next, our calamansi soaking syrup. Okay, for the calamansi soaking syrup, just put in the sugar into your saucepan or casserole and then pour the calamansi juice. Then, hayaan nyo lang siyang ganyan. Huwag nyo po siyang hahaluin. So, pakukuluan natin siya ng dahan-dahan until totally melt yung sugar. You don't need to stir it para hindi siya mag-crystallize. And set aside ko muna, doon muna tayo sa ating muffin. For the muffin, first is yung mga dry ingredients muna. Cake flour and baking powder. And then baking soda. Then salt. So, haluin lang natin yung mixture hanggang mag-combine sila ng maayos. Then, let's set aside. And for the next procedure, I'm going to combine the calamansi and sugar para ma-infuse lalo yung lasa ng ating calamansi. Yan po yung isang technique. So kahit 30 minutes or isang oras na nakababad yung calamansi peel nyo sa sugar para lalong mas malasa. So may gagawin tayong technique para siyang Genoise cake, yung method para fluffy. Imimix natin yung sugar and egg white sa mixer. You can use wire whisk mano-mano kaso ang hirap po nun kung wala kayong hand mixer or KitchenAid or any electric mixer. But if you have a hand mixer, pwede na po yun, can do. Makakagawa na kayo ng ganung method, yung mini-mix yung sugar and egg first. Parang sponge cake. Okay, I'm going to combine the egg and the sugar with the calamansi peel. Ibibit natin to ng mabilis para maging aerated yung ating egg. Okay, everyone, let's check kung nag-form na into a ribbon. As you can see, pale white, na yung ating egg and sugar. Okay, ayan. So makikita nyo, nagpo-form na siya into a ribbon form. So that means okay na yung ating egg mixture and sugar. So ito yung tsura nyo of na roti na parang medyo malapot. So it's time to add our oil. So gradually, then mix. Yan. Okay. Oh, ang ganda oh. Hindi siya nadi-deflate. And then our calamansi juice. Then next is our all-purpose cream para creamy siya. Then mix. Next is our dry ingredients. Okay. Ganda ng ating timpla. So, mix it well until smooth. Wala nang lumpses, wala nang buo-buo para ang texture ng muffin natin hindi siya ganun squan siya fluffy. Hindi siya ganun ka-dense. Parang yung mamon, 'di ba? Mabigat yung mamon. Ito lighter version ng mamon. Okay everyone, so ito na yung ating calamansi muffin mixture. Ang ganda. And then, gagamit ako ng 3 ounce na cupcake liner. You can use 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce. It's up to you. And then, gagamit ako ng medyo makapal na cupcake liner. You can use the ordinary one. Since calamansi, gusto ko kasi siya green. And then, kapag naglagay kayo, it should be 3/4 sa level ng ating muffin pan para pag umalsa siya, hindi siya mag-overflow, okay? Okay, maglalagay na po tayo ng streusel on top. So bahala kayo kung gaano kadami. So hindi ko tinamisan yung ating muffin butter because meron tayong soaking syrup. Eh matamis po yun. Pero actually hindi naman tumatamis because of the calamansi. Yung asim, yung sourness ng calamansi, binabalansi po niya. Okay, preheated na yung ating oven for about 350 Fahrenheit. Let's bake our calamansi muffin for about 25 to 30 minutes or until done. Then saka natin siya aalisin. Okay, pasok na natin. And after 25, gaya ng sabi ko, after 25 to 30 minutes, kasi magkakaiba po tayo ng oven. So, see you later. Okay, for the calamansi syrup, mahinang apoy lang. Huwag niyong hahaluin para dahan-dahan yung pagpapakulo sa kanya. And then, pag totally dissolved na yung sugar, off nyo na po. And then, you have calamansi soaking syrup. Okay guys, ito na yung ating calamansi muffin. After 30 minutes, dapat nagbre-brown siya on top, light brown. And then tatanggalin nyo, ilalagay sa rocks. And then yung syrup, okay na din. Napakuluan na. Then ipopoke natin siya ng gamit ng toothpick para makapasok yung syrup sa muffin. Okay, ito yung toothpick. Para kapag binuhos po natin yung syrup, may papasukan siya hanggang loob. Toothpick or syringe, you can use that. And that's it. So everyone, ito na yung ating calamansi soaking syrup. Clear siya, oh. Nagiging clear siya. Hindi, wag niyo siyang hahaluin para ma-achieve niyo yung ganyan. And then for every muffin, maglalagay kayo ng 1/2 tablespoon of syrup. Bawat muffin ha, para sukat siya. Yan. Dahan-dahan. Okay guys, ito na yung ating finished product, ang ating calamansi muffin. Hope you like it.